Guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm doing an unboxing of this Canon Pixma TS3320 printer unboxing. It's an all-in-one printer from Canon. So let me do the quick unboxing of this and show you what comes inside the box. So let's open it from here, from top. So before opening the box, let me show you what's the basic feature of this. So this printer can do print, copy and scan all three together, and it's also a wireless printer, so it's you can use your Wi-Fi to print document directly from your mobile and computer. So you don't need to do any wiring plug to connect to the computer or something like that. So that's why this is a good printer for home use, like basic. And this one we bought it from the Walmart, and it's cost around $49, so Canadian dollar, 49 Canadian dollar. So it's quite a competitive price printer. It's not expensive, and it's an inkjet printer, so you need to buy a cartridge, and this is the color code. This is a code that you need to look for when you buy, looking for the ink for this printer. So it's a 243 and 244. It comes included inside the box. And if you are looking for the bigger one, so this is a 245 and 246 number you need to look for. So let's now open the box content. I don't know what this is. Might be a power cable. I think this is a power cable, right? Yeah, it's a power cable. Okay, let's look into the other content of the box. Okay, just to pull this one. Okay. So this is a printer itself. Okay, so this is a printer. So as you can see, it's a very small compact design, and I think you can easily install anywhere in your home. This is a scan section where you can scan your documents. This is just a tray to hold the paper. Yeah,
and this would be the output, I guess.
Yeah. And this one has a different kind of button to power on, Wi-Fi, connections, mobile connection, I think, information section maybe. This is for the setting, blank ink. It show the indicator for the which kind of the ink is installed. I think it's a black and color ink. If it's installed, it show the indicator here. This is for just information purpose, this LCD. Yeah, so let me check out how's the printer once we will start it. Yeah, so we are just starting up the printer to just show you. This is the first time starting up the printer. Some weird sound coming from it. Hope we did not break it. This is from Walmart, so you can easily return if it's not work properly. That's why we bought from the Walmart. I don't know what's that.
Error. 9 error.
It's showing some indicator, we need to check. So this is the, just wanted to share, this is how it's the printer look. Hope you guys get a basic idea about it. So that's all guys, thank you, bye.